Hey y'all, it's Frank from Get the Gold 777 out at the creek today, and we're going to get some gold using the mini high banker. So let's get it. Let's go. All right, let's find out how much gold we got. First thing we're going to do is classify. That is, break it down into various sizes to make it easier to pan or go through the micro sluice. We're going to be running with the micro sluice. Right now I put in some surfactant so that the lighter gold does not float away. I've got the micro sluice at about 5-6 degrees. Something between 5 and 8 degrees are what you need to get the best angle for flour gold. Some gold right there. So we started off that gold that's in the corner up there, but now we have more that's appearing here. We adjust. These are super concentrates. We'll pan this out and be right back. You can see it's starting to pure. So I see a couple small pieces. There's one right there, and one right there. It's kind of all I see right now. Let's see if I can zoom up for you. Actually, a couple. You see the two of them there. Yeah, it's those two. I don't see anything else yet on this size, but things gradually become uncovered. All right, you want to see? Let's go. I'll show you. There you go. It's a nice little bit of gold right there. And that was the second to the smallest sizes. So the rest of them are just going to pan out because they're too big to use the micro sluice for. Nothing. Nope. Not up. Okay, nothing. Let's see what we got today. Nice bit of flour gold. Y'all think it weighs anything? Oops, sorry. Here, better look at it. It probably doesn't weigh anything, but you know what? Let me just weigh it up anyways. Who knows? Maybe it's worth 1/100 of a gram or something. I think we should try it out and take a look at it up close. We have 0.04 grams of the gold, and we can put it at 24 karat even though it's not, because that's what the pay dirt vendors are willing to pay, 24 karat gold price. Right now, that would make it worth $5.61, where gold price is at $43.62. I know it was above 5,000 recently, so it'd probably be worth a little bit more. So $5.61 for a full day's work.